Oh. Right now we're studying for our French final exam.
Are you even recording it?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. It says record.
Oh. Catherine, the answers are on
There's
the
Catherine.
bottom.
Look at her. The answers were right there, and then they were looking through the book. And and then I was like, it's Bouvet. And they're like, what? No? And I was like, yeah, look, the answers are right there. Ah. And that's what happened.
Stop. I can't take this anymore.
We want to kill ourselves, basically. We have a final tomorrow. It's not going to be good.
Narrating in front of the camera? So basically, we're gonna fail. Catherine, we're gonna fail this.
This is really weird. Okay. What do you do if you put a pray? What the heck?
What the fuck? Fuck me. Fuck me.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck Miss
We
Wilson.
want to kill
I mean, just
ourselves.
kidding, not her.
Goodbye. I'll see you Thursday, and we'll be better.